New concerns tonight mounting over the mosquito-borne Zika virus after 2 more people in Florida were diagnosed with Zika, even though they never left the country. This brings the total number of potentially non-travel related cases in Florida to 4 now. In light of this, the Food and Drug Administration is now requesting that all blood banks in South Florida stop collecting immediately until all donations can be tested for the Zika virus. Meanwhile, Southwest Florida is dealing with 11 Zika cases, but all of those are considered travel related. They got it somewhere else. 4 New Corners' Tony Sadiku speaking on Lee County Mosquito Control about what the threat of local mosquito transmission means for your safety. Tone?
Patrick, until now, getting the Zika virus has only been a worry for people who've traveled to another country. That's because local mosquitoes haven't been found to carry the virus. But now officials are looking into what could potentially be the first local transmission.
383. That's how many people have contracted the Zika virus in Florida alone, a number that continues to climb each day.
There are no areas in Florida that are completely immune to this virus.
Shelly Redovan from Lee County Mosquito Control tells me that's why they continue to stay vigilant as the virus spreads.
We're out trapping mosquitoes. We're treating wherever we find mosquitoes that would be capable of carrying Zika virus. We're pulling those mosquitoes back into our lab and testing them to see if they've picked up Zika virus.
So far, there hasn't been a single mosquito in Lee County found with the Zika virus, although the Aedes aegypti and albopictus that can carry the virus do reside in Southwest Florida.
I think the likelihood of there being local transmission in Florida, especially in densely urban areas, is very likely. So the cases from Broward and Miami-Dade would not be a big surprise.
While most of the people affected with Zika contracted the virus overseas, Florida officials are now investigating how 4 people contracted the Zika virus in Broward and Miami-Dade counties, despite not leaving the country. Redovan says a Zika-carrying mosquito in Lee County would present a greater challenge for health experts.
Only about 20% show symptoms. The 80% who get it will be asymptomatic and may not even realize they have the virus, and they can't expose other mosquitoes. So this virus is a challenge.
Lee Memorial Health System tells me they screen patients by asking them if they've traveled outside of the country recently. And if the answer is yes, and they have symptoms consistent with Zika, the physician then works with the Florida Department of Health, Lee County, to determine whether to administer a Zika test. Live in the studio, Tony Sadiku, Fox 4 in your corner.